At the Cleaning Authority, we know life gets busy. Between work, family, and everything in between, keeping your home clean can be a challenge. Since opening our doors in 2002, my wife Shannon and I have been committed to providing top quality cleaning services that our customers trust. Many of our first clients are still with us today. Once they experience the comfort and ease of a professionally cleaned home, they never look back. Our customer-first approach is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're ever unhappy with the quality of our house cleaning services, we will come back the very next day at no additional cost to clean your home again. We are serious about getting your home cleaned right the first time, every time. With our green cleaning products, you get a home that's fresh, safe, and healthy for your kids and pets without sacrificing environmental responsibility.
We believe training is the key to success. Our world-class training programs ensure our team members are equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to deliver exceptional results. We believe a job well done is a job that's thoroughly understood, from the latest cleaning techniques to the best practices in customer service.
An important tenet for us at the Cleaning Authority is community involvement. Through partnerships with organizations like Footprints of Fight, YWCA, Cleaning for a Reason, and Family Promise, we support those in need. We love partnering with local nonprofits and are grateful for their impact in our community. If you are looking for an environmentally conscious, community-oriented company with goals that stretch far beyond economic success, then you've come to the right place. We want to uplift individuals. The way we do it is by cleaning houses.